Have you ever thought about paper? Just an ordinary piece of copier paper. Paper is often included in a team's spont supplies. As a spont judge, I often see teams leave that paper alone. But oh, the possibilities! What if you used a plain piece of paper as a bridge that could support weight? Yikes! These accordion folds can support a heavy tape dispenser and this cup of markers. Not your typical spont supplies, but you get the picture. Roll up a piece of paper, accordion folds or not, and you've got a structure that can support weight. I don't know if spont judges are supposed to have favorite team tricks, but one of mine is the spiral. Points for length? It's time to spiral rip. Start on the outside and work your way around until you reach the center. If you have scissors, create a spiral the same way. Start on the outside and make your way towards the center. Other uses? What about a cone for holding items? Hey, you know those spont problems where you have to move an object and you can't have direct contact with it? What about paper? There you have it, a few ways to use paper in spont problems. Hey California, go forth and do good spont.